Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change your personal vehicle in GTA 5 online. So there are two methods to change the default car. In the first method, you have to drive your vehicle into your garage and select the other vehicle to change the default vehicle. Whenever you start a GTA 5 online, you will see that your default vehicle has been changed. The second method is to open your interaction menu and then open the vehicle section. Scroll down and go to the return vehicle to storage option. After that, you have to go to your contact list and call your mechanic. When you call him, you will see a different garage location address on the left side of the screen. You have to go to your main garage and select a car. After that, you will need to use your mechanic to call it at your location. Now, when the car comes, you will need to go to the request personal vehicle option. And when you load next time into the game, you can have this car as your default car. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.